to sell digital escape room games on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. And then you proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through to set up our Etsy shop. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So in the first step, you choose the shop's language, in here, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for the shop's currency, I'm going to change it to the United States dollar. Then you click on save and continue to proceed to giving a name to your shop. So don't sweat it guys, you can just draft a name now and change it later. We find sellers often draw inspiration from what they sell, their style, pretty much anything goes. And if you want more naming tips, just click on this link. So here for the name, I'm just going to give it my niche's name as the name of my shop. So here I'm going to remove the spaces between the words. Then I'm going to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. Here let's remove digital and it will be 20 characters, and it's already taken as you can see in here. You can choose from these suggestions, or you can just change one of these letters. So let's see what we can change. Let's change it to this. And now it's again taken. Let's give it 2 O's. Here, let's try something else. What about this? So this one is good. Then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to add in some other details like the photos of your product and the details about your item. So here you fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before you do that, click on save and continue first to see all of the required fields to fill, starting with photos, and it's required to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You're required to fill the prices space. Then we have the listing details where you're required to fill, I guess, 1, 4, 5, 6 empty fields. Then we have the shipping, and here also you need to fill some fields in order to proceed to the next step. So let's start with photos. So here in photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail, and also use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for the tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, it's not that important like the photos. It's only if you have one. If not, there is no problem. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And here for some quick tips: film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you type the title of your product, then you have 3 answers to go through. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from: I did, a member of my shop, another company, or person. So let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. And when did you make it? You have 3 categories: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. And for the category, type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So here we type the category of our product and we choose from these categories. Let's go with the first one. And here we have some additional details to go through, like the primary color of your product, then the secondary color, the occasion of that product, if it's an anniversary, a baby shower, back to school, engagement, or any other occasion it might be. Then we have the holiday. So here we have a lot of holidays, Eid for example. Then we have the renewal options, if you want to choose an automatic renewal or a manual renewal. So here the difference between them is the first one is for 20 cents and the second one is free. So let's choose the second one. And here if your product is a physical product or a digital one, let's go with a digital product. Then for the description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the inventory and pricing, so make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients. Make sure to count your prices, the charge of the product, the fees, shipping price or the shipping cost, and everything in between those. Make sure to calculate all and give it a good or a fair price for you and for the clients as well. Then we have the digital files. So here you upload your file in here. You will need to upload at least 1 file, or you can add up to 5 more files. And as you can see in here, for the returns and exchanges, there are none in the digital products. Then you click on save and continue. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.